Recently, a bloody fight took place between Indian and Chinese troops on the disputed India-China border, which resulted into at least 20 Indian soldiers' death and an unknown number of Chinese soldiers' casualties. It is now risking an all-out war between the two rival nuclear powers. So, finally, is it a war? And why China is playing a war game with India? Hello everyone, welcome to Diplomatic Talks. I am Fahim and today we will talk about the current escalation between India and China. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel for new updates. Fight between Indian and Chinese troops ended on Monday night in a heated gathering between patrols on a narrow point that grew into a fight. Chinese and Indian patrols on the border usually go without any arm to avoid escalation, but both sides took weapons such as sticks, stones and iron rods. But we know all of these are regular things. So why this time a lot of soldiers were killed? Actually, this type of fight started between Chinese and Soviet troops in the late 1960s, when both armies used only their hands to fight. They didn't use any weapons on the frozen river borders. And also in that time, rescuing the injured soldier was relatively easy. But this time, 17 out of 20 soldiers on the Indian side died of their injuries without any help and because of the freezing temperatures in the high Himalayan territory. On the other hand, Indian media reports as many as 43 Chinese deaths, but actually that information is not trustworthy. If we have a look over the media, Indian media are extremely dealing with that recent fight, but Chinese state media is not concerned about it as they are not giving importance to this fight. So why China is silent about the recent fight? India and China both have national wisdom when it comes about such fight, but you can see this time China is not willing to release their casualties. Actually, Beijing wants to keep its option open because if they release their casualties, there will be public protest in China to punish India, and China does not want to escalate the situation with India as China knows war is a trap. But in India, we can see that public are protesting against China and some of them are wanting war with China, which is completely rubbish. On the other hand, deaths of soldiers can also be seen as weakness. For all of this reason, China is actually trying to ignore the situation. Finally, the question is what will happen next? Both sides are saying that they do not want war or any other escalation, but they're also trying to blame each other for that situation. Actually, the possibility of an all-out war between India and China is zero again, as both India and China are facing a lot of crises, including health and economic crisis, with their own other internal and external problems. So in the upcoming days, there can be more extreme situation between the two rival countries, but those situations cannot bring an all-out war. And if somehow there is a war, both India and China will suffer a lot. Thank you everyone, I'm Fahim signing out. Please subscribe our channel for new updates.